The G9 Mark II is the latest Micro Four Thirds flagship camera, and it's the first of the LUMIX G series cameras to have phase detect autofocus technology. There's a brand new 25.2 megapixel sensor, and the camera boasts new high-speed performance enhancements for still images, as well as impressive video features. Here's an overview of some of the new features. Phase detect autofocus. The LUMIX G9 Mark II's new autofocus technology combines recognition technology with phase detect autofocus. The camera has human, animal, car, and motorcycle detection modes, as well as eye or body for human and the animal modes. This precision enables you to nail your focus even in fast-moving or high-pressure environments. Image stabilization. The G9 Mark II has improved 5-axis stabilization, with 8 stops of stabilization for standard focal length and 7.5 stops with dual IS at longer focal lengths. This means you can get steady, professional shots even if you're using telephoto lenses, which is perfect for wildlife or sports photographers and videographers. And you might just be able to leave your gimbal at home when shooting at standard focal lengths. The IBIS is incredibly impressive. The G9 Mark II can now shoot 100 megapixels handheld high-resolution photos. And with live view composite mode, you can take long exposures and see the image develop in real time. So what about burst modes and pre-burst modes for photography? The LUMIX G9 Mark II has some seriously impressive burst modes. You can shoot up to 60 frames per second using continuous autofocus with the electronic shutter, and up to 10 frames a second using continuous autofocus with the mechanical shutter. You now have a burst mode for every occasion. You could use the mechanical shutter for larger subjects like dogs, for example, and then switch to the electronic shutter burst modes for more small animals like birds. Pre-burst shooting will enable you to get more keeper shots and take up less space on your memory cards. You can now save 0.5, 1 second, or even 1.5 seconds in a pre-burst mode. This takes the guesswork out of shooting because you press the shutter after the action has happened and you know that you've captured it. There's also a new body design. The G9 Mark II now has a very similar body to the LUMIX S5 Mark II, which offers robust build quality and superb ergonomics. The G9 Mark II is also dust and splash resistant and can even operate in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, which makes it a perfect choice for landscape photographers and explorers. So what about the video features? It isn't just the photography side that's been upgraded. The G9 Mark II has a whole array of impressive video features. It has the V-Log colour profile built in, and it also has unlimited recording times. You can even record ProRes up to 60p in HD internally, and all the way up to 5.7K if you record externally to an SSD drive. Oh yeah, it can record to an SSD drive too. The G9 Mark II also has some impressive slow motion options, with 120p and 60p in 4K, and up to 300 frames a second in HD using the slow and quick mode. These updated video features make the LUMIX G9 Mark II the perfect hybrid camera. You have advanced photo and video features all in one modern, compact, and rugged camera.